You never really know when your hiccup stopped. You just all of a sudden realize you aren't hiccuping anymore.
I have to make an effort to get my hiccups to stop. They never go away on their own.
Wait. People actually just wait out their hiccups to stop naturally. That sounds exhausting and annoying.
You never stop hiccuping. The delay between hiccups just exponentially increases until you start hiccuping again.
I once scared the living crap out of a coworker with persistent hiccups. He knew exactly when it stopped.
Some guy had them for over like 60 years. I bet he remembers his very last hiccup lol. I only ever have one hiccup. I can stop them at will.